Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Friday's market wrap up here at TOPGUN Options. I'm Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz, and May is over, ladies and gentlemen. Want to knock out a quick debrief. How did we do in this primary model portfolio? Over $77,000 in profitable trades in 1 month. Look at our S&P 500 sniper shots, folks. Well, not just sniper shots, double verticals, just all S&P 500 trading alone made nearly $64,000. I want that to sink in. Okay, some good Amazon, Raytheon, JP Morgan, SIBO, flat for the VIX for the month. $64,000. I want that to sink in, folks. Okay, let's just say the primary model portfolio, I do this every month. $77,000 times 12 months equals almost, or actually annualized, that's over $1 million. What are you waiting for, folks? I mean, my current members are obviously happy and knocking the cover off the ball. Would you spend $29.95 today to potentially make 77 grand next month? Yeah. Well, if you wouldn't, you're not a good trader, and please don't sign up. So go to our homepage, man. Underneath trade groups, click on Full Throttle. Go down here and get your annual membership, man. $29.95. Hell, I think I did. What did I do? 4 sniper shots this week? No, 5. Well, Iron Condor. Let me go look. Yesterday's Iron Condor would have expired for a max profit of, I think it was $3,400. Look at this. Yeah, this was a lot of trading yesterday. Look at that. I think we pin around 5,900. Blah blah blah. I legged into an Iron Condor. Here's the Iron Condor. If you did that Iron Condor as briefed, you made $3,800 in a day. Oh, was that a lot of risk? Look at the risk. It was $3,700, and you made $3,800, folks. Absolutely crushing it, ladies and gentlemen. This has been an absolute blast. Again, I just kind of shake my head every once in a while and go, I don't know what else I can be doing here. A lot of good stuff going on. We had a great week. Our America trade that we put on a couple months ago. Did you get your America trade on, right? I covered this trade, I think a month and a half ago in Full Throttle. Where is it? Down here somewhere. It is up triple digits in a month. Some people are up 10, 15,000 bucks. There it is right there. America trade 1 month ago, ladies and gentlemen. This trade can potentially make $100,000. And I think it's already up about 10% of that out into the future. If you're bullish on America and you think this, we're going to be going up and to the right on the S&P 500, which I think we're going to, I'm having fun doing it too, folks. So, hey, $29.95 for a full year. Wiz, I want to check you out for a little bit more. Then do the monthly hunters at $4.97. What's that get you into? Our investment club right here. It's called the Hunters. We have an Intel and commentary thread where I post all the Intel and commentary, and other traders do as well. And then the trade alerts thread. Look at this. I just fired a bull put spread 5 minutes ago. Let's go take a look at how that one's doing. There. Positions. Fired this 5 minutes ago. There it is right there. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? It's already crushing it, folks. Unbelievable. So, again, I don't know what else to tell you. If you just want to literally kick the tires, it's $295 a month right here. But you don't get access to that hunter. You don't get the app alerts and all that type of stuff. So $295 for a month is pretty cool. And you know what, Wiz? I want to try just your Amazon service. Solo Amazon. It's $97 a month. That's a really bad bottle of wine. Or you can do $970 for a year. Our Amazon trades are absolutely crushing it. I'm liking where Amazon is hanging right now. Let me go take a look at this. Amazon 200 level on Amazon looks to be holding. Okay, let me enter here. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, right around 200, folks. A little bit of a dip. We're hanging, and we're setting up for another run here on Amazon. So check out Solo Amazon, folks. It's $970 for the year or $97 a month. It's obviously cheaper if you do the annual membership. Okay, good stuff going on. Hey, real quick, make sure you watch my newest podcast on No Fallen Heroes, from the Beltway or from the border to the Beltway. This is my 4-year anniversary of sitting with the medicine. 4 years ago, driving across the border from San Diego, and then 4 years later, walking into the VA. It's a pretty good debrief. It's on our No Fallen Heroes Foundation YouTube channel, or it's on the Max Afterburner podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Stitcher, iHeart, wherever cool kids listen to podcasts. That's where the podcast is. You know, Donald Trump, they call him Taco, right? Trump again changes his mind. What's Taco stand for? Trump again, whatever. Taco, they're calling it the taco trade. He's Taco with Ukraine. He's Taco with tariffs. The shit in Ukraine, it has to stop. I mean, it's just gross. Young men, Russians, Ukrainians being turned into hair, teeth, and eyeballs for what? It breaks my heart. So let's just step through what happened in the past 24 hours, 48 hours. So some international trade court, or whatever it's called, a federal trade court ruled, the Court of International Trade ruled against Trump. Unconstitutional. You can't do your tariffs. Again, a couple liberal judges, unelected. So it's pretty incredible that the only man or woman, could have been a woman, the only man or woman elected by all of us can't do what they were elected to do. Some unelected judges with tenure for life who answer to nobody, essentially, can rule against it. Some little district judge somewhere can rule completely against it. You want to talk about a constitutional crisis? That's it. I used to have a high regard for the judiciary. I don't anymore. I see these raging partisan. They can't win at the ballot box, so they get these appointments for life. But anyway, what happened the next day? Yesterday, the tariff ruling was put on hold. So an appeals court struck down the other one. So this one's going to go to the Supreme Court. But folks, the tariff ruling, this was after the initial court ruled, but before the appeals court overruled it. Doesn't matter. He's got so many different ways to maneuver these levers. He's going to do it anyway. And this headline was funny. White House on tariffs. Nothing's really changed. I mean, the guy's going to get this shit done. I think it's unconstitutional the way that court ruled. If you read the ruling, I can't stand unelected people doing elected people shit. That's the constitutional crisis. But a little bit of a pullback at the open. Why? Trump, again, raging on his cell phone. China has totally violated its agreement with us. Whoa. So the S&P 500 imploded. But every one of these daily dips, you buy the dip, right? So look at this. Look at this trade from this morning. I'm filled at $1.20. It's at 50 cents right now. 20. Look at that. What's that? 50, 70 times 15 contracts. 70 times 15 contracts. $1,000, $1,100. You can close this trade right now, and you could have made $1,100 and been done for the day. Going to the beach, and that's it. But I'm sitting here talking with you. Other good stuff going on. I mean, the tariffs are working. $255 billion in annualized revenue, man. We're bringing in the door. So I get the budget thing that's going on. I'm furious at the budget. Elon Musk tried with Doge, and it's the same party, folks. Democrats, Republicans, they're all the same bullshit in Washington. They spend, funnel money. They're their relatives, their family, and their pet things, and it's just gross. So Elon's leaving D.C. kind of disgusted, as I would too. He tried his best, and Republicans failed him just as much as Democrats. But look at this. At least, unlike Sleepy Joe, we're bringing in money from these other countries finally. It's, we're flying downhill, both engines on fire into the mountains in cloudy weather, but at least the president's trying to pull back on the stick a little bit. But this was good news. After a backlash from people like me and you, White House prepares rescissions bill to codify some of the Doge cuts. So Elon went in there, ripped everything to shreds, and the Republicans more or less said, nah, we're not gonna do it. So good stuff going on. The president knows he's got a throttle. He can just pick up his phone and sprinkle some good news, and the market's gonna rip. I do think the worst is behind us as far as the trade war. And I predicted what? I said a mid-year, June, rip your face off rally, and we're already seeing it, man. From the April lows up until now, we are ripping higher. You should have bought, folks. The people that did the America trade a month ago are up triple digits. Some of you close to 10 grand, which is just absolutely insane. I've almost paid for a lifetime membership in a month just with one trade, the Bullish on America trade. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel, the Top Gun Options one, and then scroll down and you can watch it, the America trade. The strikes are obviously a lot different, folks. Or I'm sorry, the price is a lot different. The strikes are the same. So buying the 11,000 calls 5 years into the future, selling the 12,000 calls on the S&P 500. The trade's the same, so go watch it. But go look at the price. Go look at this, how this trade is priced. Oh, wait, I think I have it. I put mine on a couple weeks ago because I didn't get filled on the initial one. Mine's up 19% or $2,200 in a week. Here's the trade right here. Let me analyze it for you right there. It's priced at $46 right now. Okay, I think when we initially looked at it a month ago, it was like $4 or whatever it was. So there you go. Men lie, trades don't. You could have gotten into it a month ago for about $4,000. It's up at this right now. Okay, I got into mine late. I didn't get filled on the day when I covered the damn trade. It ran away from me, and I finally got filled on it. So I was late to get into mine. You should not be, and you should not wait anymore. All right, I got to get going. Busy Friday. I got a couple podcasts, some media appearances. I don't know what you're waiting for, folks. One more time, I'm going to show you the May performance. Before June starts, there's May. Men lie, trades don't. 64,000. Now it's over $64,000 because my two S&P trades are actually going up as I'm talking to you. Because what? The bottom. So I'm going to close. Look at that. I shot that bullish sniper right there, and look at what happened. As soon as I shot that bull put spread down here, the market ripped. It's almost like I do this for a living, and I know what I'm doing. So close that trade. I'm going to send out a closing alert on that right now. It's at 40 cents. You made 80 cents. I made 80 cents on this trade. 80 cents. 80 cents times 15 contracts. $1,200. $1,200. When did I do that trade? At 9:50. It's 10:14. 24 minutes. $1,200. Almost essentially during this Friday market wrap-up video. All right, I got to go. I'm going to go live. Made $1,200, and I got stuff to do the rest of the day. Have a great rest of your day. Fights on. How about those Panthers? Namaste and basi basi. Whiz out. Have a good weekend.